Hello viewers, I am Saurabh. Welcome to MLT Study. If you are studying MLT Medical Laboratory Technology and visit the channel first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Today's discussion is all about the definition and classification of lipid. So let's start. Definition. Lipids are organic compound formed mainly from alcohol and fatty acid combined together by ester linkage. How the formation of an ester is occurred? R bond OH. Here R is the side chain and OH is the functional group of alcohol. Joins with R bond COOH. COOH is the functional group of carboxylic acid. With a release of one molecule of water, it forms C single bond O and double bond O. This bond is called as ester bond or ester linkage, and the formation of lipid occurred. Characteristics of lipid. Number 1. Lipids are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like benzene, acetone, chloroform, ether, etc. Number 2. They are widely distributed in nature, both in plants and animals. Biological significance. Number 1. It is basically the storage of warm energy. It stores the energy in the body like carbohydrate. Number 2. It acts as metabolic regulator. Means it maintains the physiological metabolism in the body. Number 3. It acts as emulsifying agent or surfactant. What is surfactant? Surfactant is a substance which reduces the surface tension of a liquid in which it is dissolved. Number 4. It acts as electrical insulator in neuron. Number 5. Supply fat-soluble vitamin in the body. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And number 6. Supply essential fatty acid in the body like leucine. Clinical significance. Number 1. Obesity. Means excessive fat in the body. Number 2. Atherosclerosis, abnormality in cholesterol and lipoprotein. And number 3. Phynoderma, there is a deficiency of essential fatty acid. Classification. Lipids are classified into 3 major groups: simple lipid, compound lipid, and derived lipid. First, simple lipid, ester of fatty acid with various alcohol. There is 2 types of simple lipid, triglyceride and wax. What is triglyceride? Ester of fatty acid with glycerol. I previously told that simple lipid is the ester of fatty acid with various alcohol, and for triglyceride this alcohol is specific. This is glycerol. Triglyceride also called as TG or triacyl glycerol. There is 2 types of TG, simple TG and mixed TG. When same fatty acid connected with glycerol, called simple TG, and when different types of fatty acid connected with glycerol, called mixed TG. And wax, ester of fatty acid with cetyl alcohol. The alcohol is specific cetyl alcohol, higher molecular weight than glycerol, and in cosmetic industry this wax is very useful. Number 2. Compound lipid or conjugated lipid or complex lipid. There the lipid contain additional substance such as phosphoric acid, protein, carbohydrate, amino group, sulfur group, etc. Compound lipids are classified into various groups Number 1, phospholipid. They are the compound lipid, contain fatty acid, alcohol, and as additional substance it has phosphoric acid. There is two types of phospholipid, glycerophospholipid and sphingophospholipid. In glycerophospholipid, there is the alcohol is specific, this is glycerol, and for sphingophospholipid, the alcohol is specific, this is sphingosine. The example of glycerophospholipid is lecithin, cephalin, and the example for sphingophospholipid is sphingomyelin. Number 2, glycolipid. They are the compound lipid, contain fatty acid, alcohol, and as additional substance it has carbohydrate. Example, cerebrocyte, gangliosides. Number 3, lipoprotein. They are the compound lipid, contain fatty acid, alcohol, and as additional substance it has protein. The example is HDL, high density lipoprotein, LDL, low density lipoprotein, IDL, intermediate density lipoprotein, VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, and chylomicron. And at last, others compound lipid like sulfolipid, aminolipid. In sulfolipid, the additional substance is sulfur group, and in aminolipid, the additional substance is amino group. Number 3, derived lipid. They are derived from simple and compound lipid by hydrolysis. Example, fatty acid, fatty alcohol, monoacyl glycerol, diacyl glycerol, cholesterol, steroid hormone, etc. Few important questions for this topic. Number 1, write short notes on lipoprotein. Number 2, give example of glycerophospholipid. Number 3, write short notes on phospholipid. Number 4, classify lipid. And number 5, write short notes on neutral fat. So what is neutral fat? The fat which do not contain any ionizable group in it. That is why it is called neutral. Example, cholesterol, triglyceride, etc. If the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.